how much should you actually spend on a soundbar mount? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Mounting Dream MD5420. First up, we have the Mounting Dream Soundbar Mount Bracket. Priced at $20.99, it caught my attention with its bestseller badge and 4.5-star rating from over 19,000 reviews. If you want a reliable and easy-to-install option for your soundbar, this is worth a serious look. With its detachable long extension plates, you can swivel it 180 degrees, which is great for adjusting the angle for optimal sound. Plus, installation is a breeze, no need for any screw holes in your wall. It comes with everything you need so you can secure your soundbar above or below your TV effortlessly. Now, some people complained about the mount not fitting TVs over 83 inches. Here's the thing though, if you have a smaller TV, this mount shines for its flexibility and ease of use. But if you're rocking a massive screen, you might need to look at other options. This is perfect for you if you want something affordable and easy to set up. Skip this one if you have a larger TV or a heavier soundbar, but overall, it's great value for money. Product number 2, Perligear PGSM04B. Next, we have the Perligear Soundbar Mount. At $25.99, this one also has a solid 4.5-star rating with around 1,700 reviews. If you're after height adjustment and flexibility, you should definitely consider this. What stands out with this mount is its adjustable height feature. This is perfect for achieving that clean look in your living room. Plus, it supports soundbars up to 15 pounds and works with TVs under 83 inches, making it quite versatile. The installation is straightforward, and it gives you that seamless aesthetic with no visible cables. However, there are some complaints about the mounting screws not being compatible with all soundbars. Here's the thing, if you have a soundbar that fits the specified screw types, then it's not a deal breaker. Otherwise, you might have to find additional hardware. This is great for someone who values aesthetics and needs a flexible mounting option. Skip it if you have a soundbar that doesn't fit the screws, but it's a solid choice for most setups. Product number 3, ELIVED Soundbar Mount. Coming in at $18.99, we have the ELIVED Soundbar Mount. With a 4.5-star rating from about 1,100 reviews, it's budget-friendly and functional. If you want a simple installation with height adjustment, this one's for you. This mount supports most soundbars up to 15 pounds and also features tool-free height adjustment. The 27-inch long mounting bracket gives you flexibility in installation, whether above or below your TV. Plus, the pre-assembled bracket means you can set it up in just a few steps, which is a huge time saver. Some users noted that it can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you're within the weight limit, it holds up well. If you're looking for something lightweight and don't plan to mount a heavier soundbar, this is still a great option. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable and easy-to-install solution. Skip this one if you're mounting a heavier soundbar, but for most, it's a steal. Product number 4, USX Mount Soundbar Bracket. Next up is the USX Mount Universal Soundbar Mount, priced at $26.99. With a 4.6-star rating and over 5,500 reviews, it's a crowd favorite. If you're looking for a non-slip option, this might be your answer. This mount fits soundbars with or without holes and can hold up to 17.6 pounds. The installation process is straightforward too, with all the necessary hardware included. If you have a TV with upper VESA holes, this mount can accommodate that, making it quite versatile. However, some customers mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing, once you get past the initial confusion, it really does hold your soundbar securely. If you're not comfortable with DIY projects, this might take a bit more effort. This is a great choice if you want a secure mount with flexibility. Skip it if you prefer detailed installation guides or if you're not handy, but overall, it's solid. Product number 5, Mounting Dream MD5425. Finally, we have the Mounting Dream MD5425 priced at $29.99. With a rating of 4.6 stars and about 7,400 reviews, this one has some great features. If you need universal compatibility and solid performance, you should take a look. This mount can hold soundbars with or without holes and supports weights up to 20 pounds. It's designed for different types of TV mounts and has a flexible holder that extends to fit various soundbar widths. What's great is the solid locking mechanism, ensuring your soundbar stays in place. Installation is easy with decent instructions and hardware included, so you won't be struggling for hours. Some users found it a bit pricey compared to others. Here's the thing, the extra couple of bucks gets you better compatibility and sturdiness, so it really pays off in the long run if you have a heavier soundbar. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mount that can grow with your setup. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, but it's definitely worth the investment. So to recap, we looked at the Mounting Dream MD5420 for its affordability, the Perligear PGSM04B for adjustable height, the ELIVED for budget installation simplicity, the USX mount for non-slip security, and the Mounting Dream MD5425 for its universal compatibility. Each option has its own strengths, so think about your specific needs when choosing the right soundbar mount for your setup.